Alright everybody, we've just finished Chainsawman, as you all know. We posted the last episode like 1 or 2 days ago. And I know it might come as a shock to you, but we didn't watch the opening or any of the endings. We kept them for this video, so we can react them all at once. And we're also going to be ranking them. We're going to rank all the endings. We're going to watch the opening, and we're going to watch an opening from the movie as well. Because there's an opening from the movie, which is kind of surprising, is it not?
Yeah, that's how.
But yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're starting with the opening.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it.
Don't forget to check out our Patreon if you're interested in full length and early access to our reactions. The link is in the description.
You can also follow us on Instagram and join the Discord.
Yes.
Alright everybody, we've got the opening ready. Let's get it. Just seeing only these first few seconds.
Yep.
Sweet.
Oh, poor cheetah.
What? Who was that?
All of them. The shark guy, the spider devil.
What?
What? Oh, Denji was on a leash.
Oh, in a lapse. Oh, let's go. It's such a vibe, actually.
Yeah, the song.
That's hella good. There's so much personality. Cracking necks.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Yeah.
Dude, there was so much personality in this. It was also all over the place. Like, it was just mayhem.
Yeah.
It's like not...
Yeah, like you can see anyone from the show, but you can't really understand anything.
Yeah, that was kind of cool.
Like, if you haven't watched the show and you're seeing the opening...
You can piece anything together, yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing you can piece together is that Denji's got a thing for boobs, obviously.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. And that he is Mickey Mouse dog.
Yeah. No, but the actual music was really good.
Yeah.
I kind of like the vibe of it. This may play in my car for the next few weeks, actually.
Yeah, I might play it.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna watch the endings. This is the tier list that we've got.
Yeah,
we've got
click presentation mode.
Presentation mode, okay.
Yeah.
We've named the tiers something funny. The first one is deserving of a boob grab. Second one is amazing, pretty good, lacking something, and then toast with no jam, because we know that one is awful. Just like Denji finds it.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's check them out. Oh, dude.
That song.
Yeah? Damn, babe! Speaking of personality...
Oh my god.
Dude, this is really good.
Pochita?
What? Oh my god. Damn. Dude, that's hella good.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it keeps going on. Like,
it's amazing. Shit. I like it. It's gonna be the best song.
This goes straight into ST.
I was like even distracted from like what's happening in the ending of the song.
Yeah, I couldn't follow it. I think it was just a recap of episode 1 actually.
Yeah, it was.
Dude, it was so good. This... Babe, I think this deserves a boob grab.
Yeah.
Can I...
Yeah.
Nah, this was fire, honestly. Straight into us. I don't know if anything is gonna top that, honestly. This one is playing in Babe. Alright, we got the next one. Let's get it.
Meow. It's gonna be about Meowie. Power.
Power, yeah. Episode 2.
That's a cool art style. Damn.
Babe. Using the trash bin too? Denji. Power?
She has a microphone?
Yeah.
Did she sing?
And a stereo.
Okay.
Dude, the music again.
And the art style.
Oh my god, the transition Denji was thinking over it. Oh, babe, that's nice. Huh. He's treated as a dog again. Wow. Nah. That was good.
Yeah.
That was good as well, I think.
Probably one below.
You know what was really good from this opening? That visual of Denji falling from the sky. I think that represented his new life. How he's super fast. How his life changed so fast, and he's...
Yeah, and it kind of transitioned, like, from him sleeping in the trash.
Yeah, that was very, very nicely done. I think just for that, I think it's gotta go in amazing, I think.
Yeah.
I was gonna say...
And the art style.
Yeah, the art style was... I mean, it kind of maybe go... It can go in this one, but I think this one is way too special.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think amazing is good. We can also rearrange later.
Okay, yeah, of course.
Alright, so ending number 3. Oh my god. In the name of devil. Demon in the name of devil? Babe! We should have reacted. We should react. Oh my god.
It deserves a boom grab.
Babe. Babe.
This is sick. Corn as well.
Corn? This is corn.
This is corn, but corn.
Oh, and a goddess.
Oh my god.
We should have reacted to this earlier.
Yeah.
Oh my god, and he's on his knees. Oh my god. Dude. A sweet chip as well?
This is so powerful.
Oh my god. Oh my god, babe. That was amazing. Let's ignore the music for a second, by the way. Okay?
Yeah, even without the music, it was sick.
The direction, once again, he was in the bin, and like the music was all kinds of nasty and shit, and like his life sucked. And then Makima shows up and he's like on his knees, Denji, a goddess, and then the music
switches up, yeah, like...
Exactly. Gets good.
The music was good, like...
It's no longer the nasty metal.
Even the nasty metal was good as well.
No, I mean, yeah, exactly. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, guys, you know well enough where that has to go. Deserving of a boob grab.
I think that, yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
You think like that?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Sure.
Yeah. We'll see.
That's sick work.
Alright, we got the next one. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Oh my god. Dude. The horns? I think that's a very fitting ending, actually. Power's personality.
She's role playing.
Yeah. Graduating now. Cheerleader.
Boxer.
Wow.
The toilet? Yeah.
Oh, meowie on top of one. Dude, I like this. Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow, babe. This is exactly what I felt like when Power was on screen.
Yeah,
What a perfect ending.
Like it fits her personality.
Exactly. I think the description when whoever was given this project was probably something like describe Power.
Yeah, yeah.
And like they did a fantastic job of it. I don't know, where do we put that one though?
It's either amazing or deserving of a bull crap.
I think amazing, but like on the
yeah.
top of amazing, for example. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep them coming.
I would not have an ending like below amazing.
I don't know. It's not shaping up like it's gonna be. Okay.
Ghost? The photo.
Kubeni?
All of them.
Oh my god.
They go in circle in a loop.
Dude. Oh my god. For fireworks? The pieces. Wow, the flash frames.
Yeah.
Dude. Okay. How did you feel about this one? I think I couldn't interpret everything actually.
Yeah, it was like very abstract but very detailed.
Yeah.
Like if we do a second watch, I think we'll notice something else and something else.
Yeah.
Like on the third watch,
I think that
we're gonna explore something new as well.
Yeah, actually. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking they probably knew at the ending 5 already that the other ones were gonna blow up. And they probably had the idea of making it a bit more complicated because they knew people were gonna love the endings and they were gonna want to find all the details inside the ending and like all the references, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I thought that this is like an ending that there's been a lot of work put in it and like a lot of thought.
Yeah. The music also.
Yeah.
It was good, I guess, but it wasn't like the previous ones. I'd say pretty good for now. Let's see the next ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, the next one we got. Let's get it. Babe! Is this my Minecraft YouTube channel from 10 years ago? This one's not moving as much though.
Yeah.
But I like the music.
Oh.
Yeah. Chainsaw. Oh shit, all the blood.
Bloody, yeah.
Wow, all the frames as well.
And Benji. His jump.
Yeah, Benji jumping in. Very, very different, this one.
Yeah.
Very different.
It didn't hit me like the previous one.
Yeah, I think it lacked something actually,
Yeah.
personally. Visually, it wasn't moving as much, obviously.
Yeah.
Although I still liked it because it was like all the labyrinth things and like them keep going in a circle because of the hotel where they were in from episode 6. I think it lacked something personally.
It did.
I hate to knock on somebody's work, but compared to the previous ones,
Yeah.
it's gotta go in there.
Like, we can't put it in pretty good because like we have the previous one in pretty good and
Yeah, exactly.
like, this is below it.
All right, we got the next one. 7th. Oh, I'm gonna like this one.
Because
Oh,
you know
yeah.
it's him and
90s. Dude. Oh my god, that's so cool. 90s VHS vibes. Oh, it's like being in a video game.
Oh my god.
Dude.
With the lollipop.
Dude. Yeah? Oh my god, boob grab just because of that. Is that Kubanic?
Yeah, it is.
Babe! Babe!
Oh my
That's gonna be an S. That's gonna be a boob grab. We have subtitles here?
Yeah. Good food.
Oh my god, these were their meals. Dude,
Yeah.
that was nice. For me personally, it's gotta go into a boob grab.
For me, it's amazing.
But in first or
Maybe
where
not,
exactly?
maybe not, but like
At the end?
if it's deserving of a boob grab for you and amazing for me, we can put it like either on deserving of a boob grab but in the end, or an amazing but like
Go
first.
ladies first. You have the
Amazing first.
You have the choice. Okay. There you go. Oh, episode 8. All kinds of mayhem. Yeah. Oh my god. I had so many cars.
Oh my god.
Babe, I'm liking this. Oh my god,
Wow.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Good. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You notice how it started with Aki and him with Himeno on
Both
the
of
grave? Yeah, both of them, and then it was only
Yeah.
Aki, and he was the one bringing flowers and
The
and the
cigarettes,
cigarettes as well. Yeah.
Maybe that's gotta go in a book.
Yeah. It's there.
Especially because of the animation in the ending. That
Yeah.
type of animation solely for an ending is absolutely
Yeah.
spectacular.
And I feel like in terms of the visuals, it should be before the first ending.
You mean it should go first or
Uh,
second?
second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. It keeps getting better somehow. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Oh.
Dude. Babe. Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
god, bro.
Wow.
Babe. This is what we're doing. I don't know. You know why I'm doing? Why I'm putting it there?
Why?
I'd honestly kill to have seen this ending right after the episodes where Himenos dies.
Yeah. I think like I'd probably cry if I heard and seen this
Guys,
right after the episode.
I'm so sorry for not
like watching
them after the episodes, honestly. I know a lot of you said that we can do this, but we should have listened to you, honestly. That was amazing.
Yeah. Especially that part with the cigarette, like in the end of the ending.
Yeah, oh my, the fluidity of the animation, the direction,
The way the shadows were made.
the blood as well.
Yeah, and also the shadows, they were like made with some little points
Yeah.
there. I love that art style.
Yeah, it's not even like the visuals, guys. Like vocals. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know, honestly. Alright, next one, I guess. Dude. Benji. With his dogs. Is this real or is this animated?
It looks real. Like the dogs look real. The volleyball.
Dude. Oh my god, the camera work on this. Pochita?
I think it's mixed like real images and
I think so.
Yeah, it's mixed with the animation.
Oh my god. Now the camera work on this once again. Oh, there they are. It's give you a little bit of old school vibes.
Yeah, it does.
Like it feels like very much like OG Naruto.
Yeah.
Opening.
Like that scream.
I'd say pretty good for this one.
Pretty good.
Maybe amazing as well.
Amazing, yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like we're putting so many into these. I'd say amazing, but at the end, to be honest, yeah.
There's gonna be no toast with no jam.
Oh, come on. I gotta have one that's trash in there. Not all of them can be good. Come on. Let's do this one. Oh well. Power's got moves. Damn! Oh, there you go. Damn. Is that the first one we're putting in there?
Probably.
I don't think it was necessarily bad, but I think it suffers because of the previous ones a lot.
Yeah.
It's just like a... Let's put it there.
Yeah.
I don't want to knock on anybody's work. I kind of liked the whole particles thing, like what they did. And like the little lines coming off of the people and like connecting with each other. Like
yeah, but when you compare it to the others...
Yeah.
If there's something that's making it toast with no jam, it's the song.
Yeah, the song was nice.
Yeah, it kind of was the jam.
Yeah, as I said, I don't think it's truly bad, but I think it just suffers because of the previous ones. Yeah. And that's all right. I mean, let's see the last one. Come on. Oh, this is gonna be like a... Oh yeah, this one was in the middle of the episode, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
Was that meowing?
It's a peaceful one.
Yeah. Oh my god. So much meat. Yeah, the good life. Wow, this is so cool.
Watch them two falling asleep, yeah.
Full belly.
Yeah.
Full belly. Yeah, knackered. This is it.
Yeah.
Alright, babe, I actually really like this one. I think I'd put that at pretty good.
Yeah.
I think I'd put that at pretty good because for what it's worth, it was very good actually.
Yeah.
It does its job pretty good because it was in the middle of the episode and they had to transition from what they were doing to Aki on the balcony and then being knackered. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, so this is the list. You have it in front of you and we have it in front of us. Should we change something?
Nah, I don't.
This was the heavy metal one. This was the first one that was kind of cool. This was the emotional one. I think those stay in there for me. Ending 8 was also... I don't think anything changes, to be honest.
Yeah.
Personally. Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah, it's good like that.
Stay like that. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna be watching is this opening from the movie. We obviously haven't watched the movie since it's not streaming online. And now we're waiting until it streams online. So yeah, let's get it.
Oh.
Huh? Are we getting a morning routine again?
Akis or Denji's? That's a girl.
That's a good breakfast. Oh my god.
Makima.
That wasn't, was it?
It was her, yeah.
Oh, the the butt scratch was so real as well. Oh my god. Dude!
Little
Watch
Pochitas! What's with the horns?
Oh, the angel devil?
Yeah, and the plague was in the previous chapter.
Oh my god. The bullets. Oh, Makima's eyes. The dancing. Iris out. Oh, come on.
That's Makima.
Was she naked? I think she was. Yeah, but I don't think that's Makima.
Another girl.
Power. What's happened to Power, bro?
That was Makima in the end.
Yeah. So that was another girl, obviously. It was this girl, probably, from the movie,
yeah,
Busy.
yeah.
I liked it.
Yeah.
I liked it a lot. Didn't there was a whole lot about what's gonna happen in the movie, but it felt dark.
Yeah.
Like it usually does with Chainsaw Man. Pretty good. But yeah, that was it from us, guys. Once again, the tier list, all the endings. Can you pick a favorite for you? For me personally, I'd say either 9, obviously ending 9, or ending 1. Like, obviously, it kind of doesn't make sense to pick a favorite since we have the favorite in first. It makes sense.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there's context to everything. I think I wouldn't play ending 9 so often, and I wouldn't play it as much as I would play ending 1, for example.
Yeah,
or ending 3 as well.
Ending 1 and ending 3, I'm pretty sure we'll play them in the car, like.
Yeah, but the meaning behind ending 9 does matter a lot.
Yeah.
And like the context.
Yeah. That's why ending 9 is like in the first place, because it's the meaning.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so that's it from us. Let us know if you want us to watch something different, other openings, other endings, whatever it is. Comment down below. We'll see. Thank you for watching this reaction, and if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and tuning into the next video, and we'll see you there.
See ya!